In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot server issues using ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just diving into the world of server management, knowing how to effectively pinpoint and resolve server issues can save you time and frustration. Now, let's take you through this process step by step. First, let's begin by heading over to your computer and locating the event viewer. You can easily do this by clicking on the Windows search button located at the bottom left of your screen. Simply type Event Viewer into the search bar and click on it to open. Event Viewer is a powerful tool that logs various events occurring on your server, providing insights into system and application errors. Now that we're in Event Viewer, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find an option labeled Windows Logs. Clicking on this will reveal several categories, such as Application, Security, Setup, and System. These categories represent different types of logs available for you to review. Next, click on Applications to access the application logs. These logs contain events logged by applications or programs, which can include informational and error messages. As you browse through these logs, look out for any errors. Errors are typically highlighted, making them easier to spot. When you've identified an error, take note of the event ID. This ID is crucial for diagnosing the issue and finding a solution. With the event ID in hand, open a web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and press Enter. Once you've found the ChatGPT website, click on it to get started. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can assist you in understanding and resolving technical issues by providing detailed explanations and advice. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll want to enter the exact Windows event ID that you noted earlier. For example, let's say the event ID you're dealing with is 1000. Simply type Windows Event ID 1000 into the provided input field on the ChatGPT interface. After entering the event ID, click on the Submit button. This action will prompt ChatGPT to process the information and generate results. These results will typically include a breakdown of what the error means and potential troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. As you review the results, focus on the troubleshooting steps provided. They'll guide you through actions that could mitigate the identified server problem. By using these meticulously outlined steps and the power of ChatGPT, you're equipped to effectively troubleshoot server issues with ease. Remember, understanding the specific event IDs and utilizing resources like ChatGPT can transform what could be a daunting task into a manageable and educational experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy troubleshooting!